What's up, guys? So today I'm starting this project of a rusted out windshield on my 2000 Toyota Camry. As you can see, that's our problem. We got a bunch of rust all along the windshield. This hole right here, huge. We're just sanding down right now with 40 grit. A lot of the roof here has gone down to bare metal now. Yeah, I think ultimately the goal was just to get some of that Bondo off. Still have to scrape off some in that corner. But afterwards, I'm gonna vacuum. I did put some fluid film in there in the crevices and from the inside as well. I sprayed it so that it reaches this lip and then underneath there. The Bondo was hiding a little bit of a hole there, so it's a good thing I got that off. Looks like we're in good shape to spray the rust neutralizer. Rust neutralizer is on. Slowly, this is gonna start to turn black in color. I'm gonna let this sit overnight. I'll come back tomorrow, scuff it down to 40 grit again, wipe it off, and then we're gonna put on our mesh and our Bondo Glass. Stay tuned. All right, guys, it's day 2. We're just grinding off the surface rust that was here in the morning, but it's looking good. This is after the rust treatment, so most of the rust is neutralized. I'll probably spray some more just before we apply the Bondo Glass and the mesh underneath that, but yeah, it's looking good so far. So we have, as you can see, little pieces of mesh all where the holes are at, just to give the Bondo Glass something to stick to. It's not perfect. I don't really think it has to be anyways. All right, and this is the Bondo I'll be using, Bondo Glass. I am gonna follow it up with just regular Bondo as well, but we need this to be waterproof, so this is the stuff to use. So this is after putting on the Bondo Glass. As you can see, it's not perfect, but I'm in the process of sanding it down smooth, and smooth it is. Check it out. Yeah, that's a peek into what it was like, and this is, of course, rock hard. But yeah, I'm just gonna sand it down smooth, just like the other side, and then fill it in with Bondo. All right, so this is where we're at. As you guys saw in the previous clip, I put some regular Bondo on there. Now this is the spot putty. This is not perfect, but you know, on a good day, this car's worth $2,000. So it doesn't have to be all too perfect for me. It just has to do its job. So yeah, that's how it's going so far. All right, guys, so this area has been sprayed with primer. I didn't really mask it off at all, honestly. Just want the windshield on. And for those wondering, I'm using Duplicolor Perfect Match Scratch Filler Primer for this application. All right, guys, so I did a little, as you can see, a lot of it off camera, but I rattle canned it. I think it came out pretty good. My cat was walking on there, so that's what the spots are. But yeah, I mean, can't complain. It's possible, guys. Rust repair came out excellent with the windshield on. This is a new windshield. The other one was cracked. But yeah, I mean, honestly, I'd say I did pretty well. Peeling, clear coat and all, but yeah, like I said, on a good day, this car's worth $2,000. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.